Hello everyone, this is Abdul Mustaq and you are watching Rumsha Tech Box channel. So today I will teach you that how you can fix your extensions which are not working at home. So it's very simple. I have this extension, you can see this, and it is connected with the main power supply, and I have just turned on the button. So let's see that whether this extension is working or not. So I just plug in my mobile charger and you can see that nothing happened. It means that it is not giving power supply to this mobile phone. So today I will teach you that how we can fix this. So first switch, and then I will remove the plug from the socket. So we've done this. Now we should open it. So we need some variety of screwdrivers. Like I have this tester, this screwdriver, you can see this big one, and this one which has a number of different variable slots, and you can use any of your required one. Let's open. So we have to diagnose that where are the screws. You can see that these are the screws. So let's open it. First I will try this one. Yeah, it's working. We have to open the screws. There are 4 screws in this extension and we have to open all of these. Put some effort while opening it. You can easily fix all your extensions at home and you don't need to buy new one. It will save your cost. Now we are done with it. We have removed all these screws. So you can see, I can just remove the wallet. You can see that there is some blackish area here. It means that some of the wires are short circuit, due to which there is some blasting effect here. So look carefully here. This is your live wire. This red wire is basically your live wire, and this black wire is your ground or earth wire, and your earth wire is grounded, and or you can may say it's your this black wire is your neutral wire. So this red wire is connected here, and then it is connected with the fuse. You can see from here that a short circuit happened here, and due to which all this area is overheated, and due to which it's melted. So this button won't work. So that's why I will just remove this button and give direct supply to my extension, so it will start working. Now I'm opening this extension button and I will just remove this. The whole area is not melted. You can see that there is 2 slots, this one and this one. So you can see that this whole area is melted, and due to which this button is not working, and as it is not connecting the main supply with the rest of the socket, so that's why the extension is not working. So we will just remove this button, or you can also buy a new button like this from the market, and you can place a new button in your extension. And if you don't want to do that, we can make your extension direct, and we can do this by connecting directly the main supply with the rest of the sockets. So I'm just removing all this from here. Look carefully to your extension, and you can see this, that this live wire should give supply to this point which is burned. So we have to connect this live wire directly to this point, so that all of your socket will give the supply. So in this way your extension will work. So place this wire from here to here. So let's do it. You can see that I have just removed this, And now I will cut my wire to make it a bit long so that it can easily be connected here. So let's do it. For that I'm using a knife to remove the insulation. You have to do it just very carefully. So you can see this that I have made this wire a bit longer. You have to place this here. So you can see that I just move the insulation, make it a little longer so that it can easily be connected with the main supply, and I just remove this plastic holder. So now I'm fixing it again so that it would be fixed. So you can see that now it is fixed here. So we will connect this live wire here so that all the socket will get direct supply from the main supply. So let's do it. First you have to just remove your screw. So this was your screw. You can see that this is your wire and this is your screw, and you have to just wrap this wire on this screw. Once you are done, you have to just place it to its required location and just give it a bit support, and then you can fix it with the help of your screwdriver. Done. So now you can see this, that your main supply is connected here and your live wire is going here and it is supplying to all the socket, and your neutral wire is connected here. So it's all good. Now you have to just place the face outlet over here, fix the screws, and you can check your extension. We have placed all the screws at their required position. This upper face of the outlet is fixed. So now we have to plug in the socket and switch the button on and check whether this extension is working or not, and whether we are succeeded or not. So let's see it. So this is the plug of this extension, and I'm placing it inside the socket and turning it on, and you can see this is the extension. And now I'm just placing my plug in any of the socket, and you can see that my cell phone start charging up. So in this way we have fixed this extension. So you can fix any of your home extension. You have to just open it, check the fault, do it very carefully. The main supply should be powered off from the main switch, and then you have to just connect the live wire with the right point where the connection are all okay, that there is no breakup or burn, and you have to check that whether all the socket other points are grounded, and then you can just check it out. So thank you for watching my video, and please press the bell icon, subscribe my channel, and press the like button, and do comment. And I think I should make a video in future in which I will teach you that how you can build your own extensions at home. So thank you so much for watching my video. Hope so you like my video. If you like my video, please press the like button, subscribe my channel, press the bell icon. I believe that there is always some place of improvement, so please tell me what improvement should I do while making further videos. Allah Hafiz.